Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. Today in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can configure set and reset button in the WinCC OA. Let's understand what is a set and reset button. Set and reset button is used to control the bit within your RTU or the PLC controller. When you press the set button, it writes a value to 1 to a specific bit or tag. This is used to turn on an output or set a bit to the high state. For example, if I will press this button, so this button is write value into the my motor run tag 1, and accordingly here you can see a bit true in my controller RTU or the PLC controller. When you press the reset button, it write a value 0 to the same or different bit or tag. This is used to turn off an output or reset a bit to the low state. For example, if I will press this button, so it's write a 0 value in my RTU or the PLC controller. So the set button is start button set a bit to a 1, which could be used in the PLC logic to start the pump. And the stop button reset the same bit to 0 to stop the pump. So here you can see this button is start button is used to turn on our pump, and the stop button is used, or the reset button is used to stop the pump. So let's uh, see how we can configure start and the stop button or set or reset button in the WinCC OA. So we'll use the same project that we already created in our previous tutorial. So we'll go here in the graphic editor, then come here in the overview page. Now, in the previous tutorial, just for the this demonstration purpose, in the previous tutorial, I configure run bit as only for the read input. Run, I configure address only as an input, but in for the this tutorial purpose, just to demonstrate this button functionality, I configure as an input and output. It can read value or write value also. So let's create a button. Here I button. Go here in the button label, and I will change the label. I will put as a, for example, start, and I will just copy and paste the same button, and I will configure as a stop. Now select the start button, go initialize, and for this case we will not use initialize. We will use this click functionality. Whenever we click, then it should write value. So click click here and select the set. Okay, then select it from here your tag motor M01 feedback status, and then run. Click OK, and I want, once I press this button, then value 1 value should write. So I will put it here value 1. Click over the finish. Select the stop button. Click here over the click. Then same, and select here your same tag for the motor 1 run feedback, and click here over the run and click OK. But in this time I will change the value here. Set value should be 0. because once I press stop button, zero value should write in this tag. Click over the finish and that's it. Now I will go here into my runtime and parallelly I will also open my uh, Modbus server. So here I can see whatever the result is going in the control. So I will change the screen. So it will update here in the runtime. So once now I press the start button, here you can see the value 1 is right in my controller. Once I press stop button, it's right the 0 value in the my controller. So Alhamdulillah, we learn how we can configure a set or reset or start or stop button in the WinCC OA.